Calibrating the server timeout in Valorant can help improve your gaming experience by reducing lag and connection issues. Follow these steps to adjust the server timeout settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Open Valorant and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the game settings. Step 2. Go to Network Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Network tab. This section contains various options related to your internet connection and server settings. Step 3. Adjust server timeout. Look for the server timeout option within the network settings. You may see a slider or input box where you can set the desired timeout duration. Adjust this to a value that suits your connection stability. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the server timeout, make sure to save your changes. There should be a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings menu. Step 5. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it to ensure that your new settings take effect. This will help in applying the changes properly. By following these steps, you can successfully calibrate the server timeout in Valorant. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.